This is my second mousse design. So this one, he's standing. My feet got a little bent down over here. So yeah, he's standing, and then I'm going to use my mountain scraper to scrape the mountain out. So a little bit different. This, I'm using white birch from Candle Science, and I don't know if you can really see on the camera, but on the screen. But my white has turned kind of yellow. We'll see if it stays yellow-ish. It's not the end of the world if it does. It's not like yellow, but it definitely has a yellow tint to it. I also have stick blended this to death, and it's still not really even setting up. So this might be a good slow mover fragrance. I really needed something that moved a little bit faster, especially since I'm going to be scraping with this design, but notes for the future that this fragrance might actually give me time to work with the design. So yeah, anyways, I'm working on 2 mousse soaps at once. I have no idea if this video is going to be one video with both soaps or 2 separate videos. I guess I will figure that out when the time comes to make them. But this is very, very fluid, but this has set up. So I am going to set this aside, go work on these, and then we'll come back with this one. Let's see what we have here. So the fragrance was definitely discoloring, which I was not expecting. So I'm curious how gray my mountain's gonna be and how distinct, because I was a little not 100% invested in the scraper. Like, I was just having issues. Oh, that's not awful. That little gap under there. The colors definitely have a yellow tint to them. Could be worse. I wish the mountain stood out a little bit more, but the blue got darker. It was actually got a little bit, not quite enough under there and there. Not the end of the world. But yeah, this, like I said, this fragrance discolored in weird ways. I was not expecting it to do that, but it's a mousse. Oh, look how much I got. Gaps. It really bugs me. I was trying so hard. I forget that I have to kind of fill in under, like I filled in the feet, but I forget sometimes that I also have to try and do under those antlers. Well, aside from the air gap, they're not bad. I'm just frustrated with gaps. They bug me. Let me know what you think.